Hi, I'm Nicole, graduate of the Ty Lopez program and the Econ Blueprint. I always wanted to learn how to sell things online, and I've asked a lot of people, and they gave me a lot of resources. And it was so cumbersome, I couldn't understand it. And that was 2 years ago, and I stopped until I discovered Ty Lopez Econ Blueprint. It was the best thing for me. It was easy to go through, the videos were easy to follow, and they give me exactly what I need, and I could recheck and I could go through it on my own pace. I wish I had done this sooner, but I really did not know about Ty Lopez and I did not know about his credibility, but I'm glad I finally do. I would advise any entrepreneur out there or budding entrepreneur who's willing to take a class and who is very excited about selling things online to do Ty Lopez course. It teaches a lot of things, not only how to set up the Shopify account, but also how to advertise, which is a very big part of it. It also teaches you how to make a business of it. Instead of just selling a one product, it teaches you how to brand yourself so it becomes a business on autopilot. So if you like what I say, please click the link below and check out the course. I did it and I would have done it again and again and again. So click the link below and register and become a Ty Lopez graduate just like me very soon in the Econ Blueprint. Click the link below.